Good evening. Video message for Josh. Hey Josh. So thank you for buying the 041 then for spares or repair on eBay. And well, I hope she's a great project saw for you. She looks really complete, and she was started, when was she started last? Bit earlier on today because you inquired and two other people inquired as well, and I thought somebody else was going to be coming out, but as it turns out you've bought it beforehand anyway. So let me show you how she runs. Kill switch, throttle lock, choke. So she got that really interesting running, like she's starting to lean and then richens up, but she's so complete. So I hope she's a great project saw for you, and I'd love to hear how you get on. They're beautiful engines when they're properly sorted. So, and I hope we deal again. Many thanks. Bye for now.